Hey you guys, welcome back. My name is Liz. So today I am going to do a quick review on the Colourpop Double Entendre palette. This baby is so beautiful. I've had it in my collection for a few months now, and I just thought, hey, I should do a review on this because I didn't see very many, and it is one of my favorite palettes. This palette is like perfect, neutral, everyday type of palette. And you guys, Colourpop is super affordable, as most of you know. This retails for $16, and during the time that I was filming this, I went on colourpop.com and it's only $12. It's on sale right now. So I don't know if they're discontinuing it or if they just put it on sale to sell more. But you guys have to pick this one up before it leaves, if it does. So you guys can tell I have used and abused this guy. These are the colors. So you guys, I love how Colourpop kind of does their palette layout. So this would be a good selection of colors together. This would be a good selection of colors together. You see how you can kind of play, and like they put it strategically in a way that looks really appealing, and you can get a bunch of ideas based on like the different rows of colors. So there are a total of 12 colors in here. There are 7 mattes and 5 shimmers. So a really nice color selection. I love playing with mattes on like a daily basis, but when I know I want something more glam or more eye-catching, I definitely like to throw in some shimmers in there. These are just the pressed shimmers. They are beautiful. Like, the pigmentation is just amazing in this palette in general. Super blendable. I have 0 issues blending the mattes. You know how sometimes mattes can kind of tug and they're really hard to blend? That is not a problem here. Everything is super buttery and easy to blend. You guys, I don't care to blend for 15 minutes a day. So this makes it super simple. I just blend it out. I only need to sweep it across my lid for a few times, and then it's completely blended out. And it's really easy to play with darker colors. Sometimes I get a little more intimidated by darker colors because they're harder to blend. Not in this case. These are gonna blend amazing, and they just go on so smooth and blend out well. So I absolutely love that. I love that they have so many different champagne colors. That's one of my favorite colors to put on my eyelid. So as you guys can see, like, these are all so beautiful. You can put them on your brow bone, your eyelid, your inner corner. You can even use them for highlighter on your face. This Colourpop palette is amazing. So today we are gonna be doing a set of swatches. So I'm gonna swatch all these babies for you, and then we are gonna do this eye look. It's pretty simple, you guys. I didn't wanna do anything too dramatic because I'm filming a few videos after this, but it looks really beautiful. Obviously in person it's much more eye-catching and picks up a lot better than on my camera, but you guys, we just used this palette and that is it. So if you guys have the chance, make sure you pick up this palette. I know they sell it at Alta. That's where I purchased it, and Alta's always running those $5 coupons or $3.50 off of 15 coupons, so make sure you pick this baby up. I don't know if they're discontinuing it, but it was on sale on colourpop.com when I just checked, so they might be. But it's an amazing palette, perfect neutral, the best one out there. So you guys, without further ado, let's get into the swatches and tutorial. Alright you guys, so the first color we're going to start out with is Flasher, which is a beautiful white bone color. It's pretty matte. It's got a little bit of like silkiness to it, but it's fairly matte. I love to use this color as a brow bone highlighter, especially when I'm using a lot of shimmer on the eyes. I like to keep it like not super duper shimmery. The next color we are going in is with Draft, and this is a very like peachy orange tone, pretty neutral color, I'd say. This works as a great transition color, so I'm just putting that all over my lid. The next color we're going in is Sun Noodles. I love that. That's literally me when I try and do the keto diet. Sun Noodles. So I'm putting this on the outer corners and kind of in the crease just to give some depth. We're taking that same color and then washing that on the lower lid as well, just to deepen that. So next we are taking Keep It PG, which is that dark brown, almost charcoal color, and I am washing that on the lower lash line as well, keeping it really close to the lash line. And then we are going in with Naked. That's a weird name. Putting that all over the crease, and then I wanted to go ahead and go in with Hard, which is another orangey but neutral color. So I washed that along the lid as well. And then we are taking my Maybelline gel liner like I always do and just putting that on the lash line, keeping it very simple, no winged liner, anything like that. Hitting your eyes with some mascara. I'm just using the Essence Lash Princess. And then we are going in with these Cosmania lashes. So beautiful, one of my favorites, so I just put some glue on that, set it to the side. Then I'm taking this Alta contour palette. One of my faves, you guys, and it's under $20. So if you need a good contour palette, check this one out at Alta. I've repurchased it like 3 times, and you know how long it takes to go through a pan of bronzer. So it's one of my favorites. Now I'm going to run some of this Milani Strobelight 04 bronzer all over my face just to kind of warm it up and give it a little glow. And then I'm going in with this Physicians Formula bronzer to just contour my nose up a bit. After that, I'm just going to hit my face with some Luminoso by Milani blush. You guys, this is so beautiful, one of my favorite blushes ever. Now we are getting into the lashes, those lashes I showed you guys earlier. Just popping those babies on. I absolutely love them, so don't sleep on TJ Maxx lashes. So that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is the Colourpop Double Entendre, one of my most favorite neutral brown palettes. It's absolutely gorgeous, super affordable, and if you know anything about Colourpop, you know their quality is amazing. So you can find this at Alta or Colourpop.com. If you guys have any questions about the palette or anything I used today, check the description box below or leave me a comment. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!